Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Temu account. Make sure to watch our video till the very end, and if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Before we get into our video, let's get a better understanding on what a Temu app is. A Temu app is an online marketplace which offers highly discounted goods. Temu app offers just about any products that you can imagine, such as car accessories, clothing, electronics, outdoor furnitures, and so on. Now, since we have a better understanding on what a Temu app is, let's get right into our video. Now, let's open our Temu app. Once you open your Temu app, you'll be on the page something like this. From the home page, on the below you can see various options such as home, categories, you, cart, and so on. Tap on the option you. Here on the second page, there are various categories. On the very beginning, you can see option sign in or register. Once you tap on sign in or register, you'll be directed on the another page. From here, you can create your Temu app using various options such as email or phone number. And on the below, you can also see about 3 options that are continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and continue with Twitter. You can choose your preferred one. For now, I will be creating the Temu account using my email address. On the box here, you'll have to type in the email address. Once you type in your email address, on the second step, you'll have to type in a password. Make sure to create a password that is secure enough and something that you can remember easily. Once you type in the password, on the below you can see option I agree to receive special events, exclusive discounts, and more by emails. Just tap on the button and tap on register. And here, as you can see, you have successfully created your Temu account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.